Number 1. The 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $25,500. This classic Mustang is finished in brilliant blue metallic with silver Lehman stripes and features the rare D-Code engine option. Located in Fresno, California, it comes with desirable California black plates and a clean title in the current owner's name. Fully restored 2 years ago, it's been used as a reliable daily driver ever since. The body is straight and rust-free, with excellent panel alignment and a striking 2-stage base and clear coat finish. There's minor bubbling on the hood, but the paint still shines beautifully. Chrome trim is in great condition, and it rides on 17-inch silver alloy wheels from a later Mustang GT, paired with brand new tires. All exterior lights function properly, and the undercarriage remains clean and rust-free with original sheet metal. Under the hood is a powerful 289 cubic inch 4-barrel engine, rebuilt during restoration with a valve job, Edelbrock carburetor, and dual Flowmaster mufflers. It retains its original C4 Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, shifting smoothly. Power steering is intact, and the generator adds a vintage touch. Inside, the two-tone blue and white deluxe interior has been fully refreshed, keeping its original steering wheel, center console, and AM radio. All gauges work, though the horn and heater are non-functional. Brakes and suspension are in solid condition, making this Mustang a pleasure to drive. The trunk is equipped with a spare tire and protected by a Zolatone coating. This timeless American classic is ready to turn heads and be enjoyed. Number 2. The 1968 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $28,000. This red beauty is located in Hemet, California, and has been driven just 13,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 400 motor paired with a 400 turbo transmission, delivering smooth and impressive performance. As a rust-free California classic, it has been carefully maintained and is in excellent condition, with no rust thanks to California's dry climate. The car runs and drives beautifully, proving it's in top-notch mechanical shape and ready for the road. The interior is clean and comfortable, showing only minimal wear, a testament to how well it has been cared for. The paint still shines with a timeless appeal, even though it's an older car, and while the convertible top has a few minor tears, they don't take away from the overall classic look. This Firebird is a rare chance to own a piece of automotive history, a true classic muscle car. Number 3. The 1969 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $23,000. This classic American car is located in Reno, Nevada, and is an absolute eye-catcher with its green KPMF green-black iridescent vinyl wrap, which shifts shades beautifully under different lighting. With only 47,500 miles on the odometer, it's a well-preserved gem. Under the hood, you'll find a blueprint small block engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering the performance classic car enthusiasts crave. The Malibu is rust-free, a critical feature for any vintage vehicle. It boasts all-new stainless trim, fresh emblems, and a brand-new vinyl top for that timeless classic appeal. The lighting has been upgraded to energy-efficient LED, while the true dual Flowmaster exhaust system with an H-pipe enhances both performance and sound. Additionally, a new fuel tank and sending unit ensure the fuel system is in top shape. For stopping power and stability, the car includes an extra set of factory disc brakes and new upper and lower control arms. Inside, the headliner is brand new, and the dashboard pad and cover have been completely replaced. This car is perfect for anyone looking for a well-maintained, upgraded piece of American automotive history. And the seller is open to offers, so don't hesitate to reach out. Number 4. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $16,000. This red beauty is located in Centralia, Washington, and runs and drives smoothly as the owner describes it as driving like a cloud. While it's not a high-performance burnout machine, it still sounds great. The paint job is in good condition with only a few minor flaws that you'd have to look closely to spot. Under the hood, it features a small block engine paired with a T350 transmission, although the transmission has a small leak. The sound system has bass control, but it occasionally cuts out, and the owner hasn't had a chance to fix it yet. The owner is open to trade offers, especially for a Polaris RZR Turbo or a similar side-by-side off-road vehicle. They had previously traded the Impala for one of these and are now looking to get another. Other trade offers, such as hot rods or other cool cars, are also welcome. Cash offers are also being considered. Number 5. The 1971 Ford Mustang, priced at $12,500. This blue beauty is located in Gresham, Oregon, and comes with a powerful 351 Cleveland engine, a favorite among performance enthusiasts. With its 3-speed automatic transmission, it's a breeze to drive, offering an exciting yet manageable ride. The seller calls this car a beast thanks to its upgraded camshaft, which not only boosts performance but gives it a distinctive chop sound, typical of high-performance engines. On the outside, the Mustang has a straight body without major dents or damage, though there are a few chip spots and some bubbling in the paint. The odometer reads 31,000 plus miles on the body, but the engine likely has fewer miles. This classic ride isn't just about raw power. It's been modernized with a Kenwood Bluetooth radio for your music needs. Recent work includes a new Edelbrock carburetor to improve engine performance, fresh front brake pads and rear drum brakes installed by the previous owner. The engine has also been finely tuned, complete with new spark plugs to ensure a smooth run. If you're looking for a car that's packed with history, performance, and a touch of modern convenience, this Mustang is a perfect choice. Number 6. The 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback, priced at $9,975. This classic muscle car comes in a brown color with a sporty fastback design, featuring a sloping rear roofline. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 318 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with an 8 3/4 rear end, rebuilt with Richmond Posey and 3.73 gears for improved acceleration. The engine's performance is further enhanced with a Demon 650 carburetor, Edelbrock air gap intake, and a rebuilt 927 transmission with a shift kit, all controlled by a Hurst quarter stick shifter. The driveline is balanced for smooth power delivery, and the exhaust includes hooker headers, a Mallory distributor, an MSD ignition system, and MagnaFlow exhaust. The front end has been fully rebuilt, with KYB shocks and traction bars for added stability, while new rear leaf springs improve the ride. Modern front disc brakes, powered by a vacuum pump, ensure great stopping power. It rides on American Racing Centerline-style rims. A fuel cell in the trunk replaces the original gas tank, and a Holley electric fuel pump guarantees consistent fuel delivery. Please note there are some rust spots, particularly around the back window. Trades are welcome. Number 7. The 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente, priced at $17,500. Located in Colton, Oregon, this classic blue beauty is in excellent condition, featuring a straight 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission that runs smoothly. The car has all new fluids, brand new tires and wheels, and a newly upgraded exhaust system with a split header and dual exhaust for improved performance. The electric convertible top operates perfectly, and the car also boasts a new JVC stereo system with Bluetooth, auxiliary input, and USB, plus 2 new 4-inch kicker speakers for great sound. All gauges, electrical systems, and body alignments are in top shape, and it has just been detailed inside and out, including a ceramic clear coat to protect the paint. The car comes with a complete set of service manuals, original hubcaps, and a protective car cover. This well-maintained survivor offers legendary reliability and is ready for sunny days with its sleek design and smooth ride. Number 8. The 1973 Pontiac Ventura, priced at $14,000. This classic American beauty is located in Pacoima, California, and is painted in a striking red color. With only 25,000 miles on the odometer, it boasts remarkably low mileage for its age, indicating minimal use over the decades. The car is equipped with power steering for effortless handling and features a robust 350 engine and transmission, a sought-after 5.7-liter V8 engine, popular in classic American cars. However, it has manually operated windows, adding a touch of vintage charm. In terms of condition, the car is described as original, likely meaning it retains many of its factory components and hasn't seen major modifications. It's rust-free, which is a significant advantage for a vehicle of its era. Recent updates include a new engine for enhanced performance and reliability, a fresh paint job on the exterior, and a newly replaced interior. However, the ceiling interior, possibly the headliner, is missing and would need attention from the buyer. This is a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that's been well cared for and thoughtfully restored in key areas. Number 9. The 1974 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $12,500. This luxurious classic, located in Nampa, Idaho, boasts a stylish white exterior. Under the hood, it features a powerful 500 cubic inch V8 engine with matching numbers, ensuring it's the original motor. Paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission, it offers an effortless driving experience. The car is all original, with minor touch-up paintwork to keep it looking its best. Recent maintenance includes 5 brand new tires, a fresh battery, and new spark plugs for reliable performance. With just 42,408 original miles on the odometer, it's remarkably well preserved. Extras include the original owner's manual and floor mats, and its history reveals decades of careful storage in Washington State since 1985. The seller holds a clear title, making the sale hassle-free. This Cadillac is a true gem for classic car enthusiasts. Number 10. The 1973 Dodge Polara, priced at $6,000. This classic full-size car is located in Fullerton, California, and comes in a stylish green color. It's a 2-door model featuring a 318 cubic inch V8 engine that offers a great balance of power and performance. The car is equipped with power steering, making it easier to handle than older models without this feature. The original air conditioning system is still in place, though it needs some work to get it running again. With low mileage, this Dodge Polara has seen only limited use over the years. The seller has owned it since 2019, after purchasing it from the original family that bought it new back in 1973.